फरीदा बुरे दा भला कर, गुस्सा मन ना हटाए। देही रोग न लग गई, पल्ले सब कुछ पाए। हे फरीद, जे कोई तुम्हारे साथ बुराई करता है, तुम उसके साथ भलाई करो। मन में गुस्सा लेकर मत आओ। इस तरह करने से तुम्हारा तन मन रोगों से दूर रहेगा और तुम्हें परमार्थी फलों की प्राप्ति होगी। यूनिट 2, एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर, पार्ट 3, by Amrik Singh, PGT Chemistry. Dual behavior of electromagnetic radiation. Light possesses both particle and wave-like properties. That is, light has dual behavior. Whenever radiation interacts with matter, it displays particle-like properties. Whenever radiation propagates, it display the wave-like properties. Spectrum. A ray of white light is spread out into a series of colored bands called spectrum. Continuous spectrum. The spectrum white light ranges from violet to red. Such a spectrum is called a continuous spectrum because one color merges into another. Emission and absorption spectrum. In case of emission spectra, the radiation emitted by a sample solution is studied. In case of absorption spectra, the radiation absorbed by a sample is studied. The study of emission or absorption spectra is referred to as spectroscopy. Line spectrum of hydrogen. When electric discharge is passed through gaseous hydrogen, the H2 molecule dissociate and energetically excited hydrogen atom produced emit electromagnetic radiation of discrete frequencies. The hydrogen spectrum consists of several series of lines named after their discoverers. Let us see the animation. We have seen the discharge tube and we are providing high voltage, and it is discharge as shown. It we are putting a slate and then a prism analyzer and its photographic plate. Now radiation emitted by hydrogen gas, and it is falling on the prism, and prism is breaking down this radiation into different wavelengths, and we get Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, Brackett and P-Fund series in this spectrum. Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, Brackett are also shown in the table. N1 and N2 values are also shown. And the spectral region, Lyman is ultraviolet and Balmer is visible, and other all are in IR region, infrared region. The Swedish spectroscopist James Rydberg noted that all series of lines in the hydrogen spectrum could be described by the following expression: wave number mu bar 1 upon lambda, that is equal to Rd 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square, and the value of Rd is 109677 centimeter inverse, called Rydberg constant for hydrogen. Bohr's model of hydrogen atom. The main postulates of Bohr model for hydrogen are: the electron in the hydrogen atom can move around the nucleus in a circular path of fixed radiation and energy called orbits, stationary states or allowed energy states. Three names are given: orbit, stationary state or allowed energy states. These orbits are arranged concentrically around the nucleus. The energy of electron in the orbit does not change with time. However, the electron will move from a lower stationary state to higher stationary state when required amount of energy is absorbed by the electron, or energy is emitted when electron move from higher stationary state to lower stationary state. The energy change does not take place in continuous manner. Let us see the animation. We are seeing an atom and there is an electron is revolving inside, and if we have this electron, energy is provided, and this electron may jump from lower level to higher level, and in the third animation the higher level are not stable and electron may jump higher level to lower level by absorbing, by emitting energy as seen in the animation to lower level. Point number third, the frequency of radiation absorbed or emitted when transition occur between two stationary states that differ in energy by E is given by mu is equal to E by H, that will be equal to E2 minus E1 divided by H. This expression is commonly known as Bohr's frequency rule. An electron can move only on those orbits for which its angular momentum is integral multiple of h upon 2 pi. That's why only certain fixed orbitals are allowed. Note, the radii of the stationary state are expressed as Rn n square A naught, where A naught is 52.9 picometer. Thus, the radius of first orbit state, called Bohr radius, is 52.9 picometer. N is the level, and maybe first level, second level, third level, and it may be KLMN in as you study in the lower classes. The most important property associated with the electron is energy of its stationary state. It is given by the expression En is equal to minus RH 1 upon n square. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, where RH called is Rydberg constant and its value is 2.18 into 10 raised to power minus 18 joule. Third point to note is that Bohr theory can also be applied to ions containing one electron, similar to that present in hydrogen atom, for example, He positive, Li2 positive, Be3 positive, and so on. The energies and radii of the stationary state associated with these kind of ions, also known as hydrogen-like species, are given by the expressions En, that will be equal to minus 2.18 into 10 raised to power minus 18 z square upon n square in joules, and Rn radius will be 52.9 by z multiplied by n square picometer. Fourth point is, it is also possible to calculate the velocities of electron moving in these orbitals. The magnitude of velocity of electron increases with increase of positive charge on the nucleus and decreases with increase in principal quantum number. We will study later on this principal quantum number. These show the value of N and KLMN, that is the principal quantum number. The energy of electron in hydrogen atom has a negative sign for all possible orbits. This negative sign means that the energy of electron in atom is lower than the energy of a free electron at rest. A free electron at rest is an electron that is infinitely far away from the nucleus and is assigned the energy value of 0. Bohr's explanation of emission spectrum of hydrogen atom. We are seeing in the diagram, if electron, when the energy is provided by high voltage to the hydrogen gas, it breaks into the atoms and electron excited from lower level to higher level. Whenever electron comes to higher level to first level, then it is Lyman series. When from any higher orbit is come to second level, that is Balmer. When it comes to third level, Paschen. When it comes to fourth level, bracket, and so on. And in this way, Bohr model of atom explains the emission spectrum of hydrogen. Now, limitations of Bohr's model of atom. It fails to count the finer details. Doublet, that is too closely spaced line of the hydrogen atom spectrum observed by using sophisticated spectroscopic techniques. Splitting of line could not be explained by the Bohr's model. This model is also unable to explain the spectrum of atom other than hydrogen, for example, helium atom, which possess only 2 electrons. That is also the failure. Further, Bohr theory was also unable to explain the splitting of spectral line in the presence of magnetic field, that is Zeeman effect, and electric field, that is Stark effect. It could not explain the ability of atom to form molecules by chemical bonds. These are some failures of Bohr's model. किसी ने फ़कीर बुल्ले साहब से जब किसी ने पूछा कि आप इतनी गरीबी में भी भगवान का शुक्रिया कैसे करते हैं, तो बुल्ले शाह ने कहा, चढ़दे सूरज ढलदे देखे, बुझदे दीवे बलदे देखे, हीरे दा कोई मुल ना जाने, खोटे शिक्के चलदे देखे, जीना दाना जगते कोई, ओ भी पुत्तर पलदे देखे, ਉਸ ਦੀ ਰਹਿਮਤ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬੰਦੇ ਪਾਣੀ ਉੱਤੇ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਦੇਖੇ। ਲੋਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਦਾਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਲਦੀ, ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਪੱਥਰ ਗਲਦੇ ਦੇਖੇ। ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਦਰ ਨਾ ਕੀਤੀ ਰੱਬ ਦੀ, ਹੱਥ ਖਾਲੀ ਉਹ ਮਲਦੇ ਦੇਖੇ। ਕਈ ਪੈਰਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਨੰਗੇ ਫਿਰਦੇ, ਸਿਰ 'ਤੇ ਲੱਭਦੇ ਛਾਵਾਂ। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦਾਤਾ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਕਿਉਂ ਨਾ ਸ਼ੁਕਰ ਮਨਾਵਾਂ। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦਾਤਾ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਕਿਉਂ ਨਾ ਸ਼ੁਕਰ ਮਨਾਵਾਂ। Thank you for listening my lecture. Amrik Singh, PCT Chemistry. Thanks again.